In this video, we are going to see how to install the Node.js on your local environment and along with the Node.js guides. Let's understand first why we are installing the Node.js. Because we have to create the local development server for the JavaScript application. Because till now what is happening, we were running the JavaScript code only on the browsers. Okay, but now if you have to run the JavaScript code from your Windows machine or Mac machine, then Node.js installation is required because it is providing us a runtime environment. NPM is a default package manager for the Node.js. NPM provide the ready-made solutions which I can use in the application development, and it's also helping us for the faster development process. Now let's move on to the Node.js installation. Open the Google and search Node.js download. Go to this site. If you are using Windows, then click on Windows installer. If you are using Mac, then click on the Mac OS installer. I am using Windows here, so I am clicking on it. This file is downloaded for version 20.11. Okay, now let me double click and click on next. Click on next. I accept the terms and license agreement. Okay, select any default path here. Click on next. Okay, it is saying ready to install Node.js. Okay, click on install. Node.js installation is finished. Click on finish here. Open the PowerShell prompt from the Windows and let's validate the Node.js is installed or not. For that, you can type here node hyphen hyphen version. See here, I am getting the version 20.11.1. It means the Node.js version is installed. Let me validate the npm as well. For npm, type here npm and hyphen hyphen version. Here also I am getting the version. It means Node.js is successfully installed.